Cruises promise endless fun, but one wrong item in your bag could land you in the naughty room with confiscated goods and a hefty fine. Stick with me as I count down 11 surprising banned items every adult cruiser needs to know. Insider secrets that could save your sailing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we uncover the real deal on cruising, the stuff that makes your trip smooth sailing or a total disaster. If you're an adult cruiser looking for those edgy, no-holds-barred tips that others whisper about but never share publicly, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling something crucial: banned items on cruise ships. These aren't your obvious no-goes like guns or drugs. We're talking about the sneaky ones that catch even seasoned travelers off guard. Why adult tips? Because these often involve things we grown-ups might pack for relaxation, fun, or convenience, but cruise lines have zero tolerance in international waters. I'll count down from 11 to 1, explaining what each item is, why it's banned, and some pro tips to avoid the embarrassment of the naughty table at embarkation. Let's get started. Number 11, CBD products. All right, let's kick this off with something that's exploded in popularity lately: CBD oil, gummies, creams, or even vapes. What is it? CBD, or cannabidiol, comes from hemp plants and is touted for relieving stress, pain, or anxiety without the high of THC. Many adults swear by it for chilling out on vacation. But why is it banned on most cruise lines like Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and Norwegian? Simple. Cruise ships operate under strict federal and international laws, and even though CBD might be legal in your home state, it's treated like a controlled substance at sea. Ports in places like the Bahamas or Mexico have zero tolerance, and ships don't want the liability. If caught, your stuff gets confiscated, and you might face fines or worse, disembarkation. Pro tip: leave the CBD at home and opt for over-the-counter alternatives like melatonin or essential oils. Trust me, you don't want to start your cruise explaining this to security. And hey, if you're using it medically, check with the cruise line ahead, but most say no dice. This is one of those adult secrets because who wants to admit they got busted for gummies? Number 10, extension cords and power strips. Moving on to number 10, extension cords, especially those with surge protectors or multi-plug outlets. What are they? Basic electrical gadgets that let you charge multiple devices at once, like your phone, tablet, and laptop. Super handy in tiny cabins with limited outlets, right? Adults on cruises often pack them for work from sea setups or just to keep everything juiced up. But why banned? Fire hazard, plain and simple. Cruise ships are floating cities with strict electrical systems to prevent overloads and fires. Surge protectors can interfere with the ship's power grid, and cheap ones might spark. Royal Caribbean and Carnival recently tightened rules on these, confiscating them at check-in. You'll get them back at the end, but who wants the hassle? Instead, bring a simple USB hub without surge. Some lines allow those after inspection. Insider adult tip: invest in a cruise-approved power strip with no surge. They exist on Amazon. Or use the cabin's outlets wisely. This one's a game changer for long cruises where you're glued to your devices. Number 9, irons and steamers. Number 9 is a classic that still trips people up: clothing irons and handheld steamers. What are they? Tools to smooth out wrinkles in your outfits, perfect for those formal nights or beach-to-dinner transitions. Adults love looking sharp without the hassle. Why banned across lines like Disney, Cunard, and Virgin Voyages? Again, fire risk from heating elements that could overheat or be left on accidentally. Ships have laundry services or self-service irons in designated areas, so they don't want you risking a blaze in your cabin. If caught, it's straight to the naughty room. Pro tip: pack wrinkle-resistant clothes or use the ship's pressing service. It's often free on embarkation day. For adults, this tip saves you from lugging extra weight. Focus on packing light and letting the pros handle it. Others won't share this because they think it's obvious, but I've seen too many cruisers surprised. Number 8, candles and incense sticks. At number 8, we've got candles and incense sticks. What are they? Mood setters for relaxation. Think scented candles for a romantic vibe or incense for zen moments. Adults often pack them for that spa-like cabin atmosphere. But why banned on every major line from Norwegian to Princess? Open flames are a massive no-no on ships. One spark could lead to disaster in confined spaces. Even battery-operated flameless candles might get flagged if they look real. Confiscation is immediate, and you could get a warning. Adult tip: opt for essential oil diffusers, check if allowed, some are, or battery LED lights for ambience. This is one of those secrets because lighting a candle feels harmless at home, but at sea, it's a ticket to trouble. Share this with your cruise buddies, they'll thank you. Number 7. Drones. Number 7. Drones. What is it? Those flying cameras for epic aerial shots of the ship or ports. Adults use them for vlogging or just cool vacation memories. Why banned on lines like Royal Caribbean and Carnival? Safety and privacy issues. Drones could crash into people, interfere with ship operations, or violate port airspace rules. Many countries ban them outright, and ships don't want the legal headache. You might get to use them in open sea with permission, but packing one risks confiscation. Pro tip: leave at home and use your phone's camera or hire a pro photographer on board. This adult tip is gold for content creators. Others won't share because they sneak them, but getting caught isn't worth it. Number 6. Hoverboards. Halfway there. Number 6. Hoverboards. What are they? Self-balancing scooters for zipping around, popular with adults for fun or mobility. Why banned on most ships? Lithium batteries pose a fire risk, especially in hot holds or if damaged. Lines like Disney and Cunard prohibit them to avoid explosions or injuries in crowded decks. Confiscated at boarding, returned later. Adult tip: stick to walking or rent scooters in port if needed. This one's sneaky because hoverboards seem innocent, but they're a hard no. Others keep quiet to avoid judgment, but knowing saves embarrassment. Number 5. Hard liquor and beer beyond allowance. Number 5. Hard liquor and beer beyond what's allowed. What is it? Bottles of spirits or cases of beer for personal use. Adults pack them to save on pricey onboard drinks, but why banned? Cruise lines control alcohol sales for revenue and to prevent overindulgence leading to issues. Most allow 1 bottle of wine per adult, but hard stuff gets poured out or stored. Fines can hit $500. Pro tip: use the drink package or sneak responsibly, but don't, it's risky. This adult tip is taboo because everyone tries it, but getting caught ruins the vibe. Number 4. Smart glasses. Number 4. Smart glasses. What are they? Eyewear with cameras like Ray-Ban Meta for recording hands-free. Adults use them for discreet filming or AR fun. Why recently banned on Royal Caribbean? Privacy invasion. They can record in restricted areas like restrooms or casinos without consent. Not allowed in sensitive spots, but often confiscated outright. Pro tip: bring regular glasses and use your phone. This new ban is an adult secret as tech evolves fast. Number 3. Heelys or wheeled footwear. Number 3. Heelys or wheeled footwear. What are they? Shoes with built-in wheels for rolling around. Adults might pack for kids or fun. Why banned on most ships? Trip hazards on moving ships risking injuries. Lines like Carnival prohibit them to keep decks safe. Confiscated until disembark. Adult tip: opt for comfy sneakers. Others won't share this because it's niche but vital for families. Number 2. Laser pointers. Number 2. Laser pointers. What are they? Small devices for pointing, often used in presentations or play. Adults might bring for stargazing. Why banned? They can blind pilots, interfere with navigation, or harass wildlife. Ships like Virgin Voyages confiscate them. Pro tip: use apps for stargazing. This tip is under the radar for adults. And the top spot, number 1, upside-down pineapple decorations. What is it? Magnets or signs with inverted pineapples, a subtle swinger symbol. Adults might use unknowingly or intentionally. Why banned on Carnival? It promotes unsolicited advances, disrupting the family vibe. Removed by crew. Pro tip: stick to neutral decor. This adult tip is the one others really won't share. It's spicy. Whew, there you have it. 11 adult cruise tips on banned items that could make or break your vacation. From CBD to pineapples, these are the secrets that keep your trip drama-free. Remember, always check your specific cruise line's policy as rules can vary. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insider cruise hacks, and drop a comment. What's the weirdest thing you've seen confiscated? Safe travels and see you on the next adventure.